A Seminole County man says his 4-year-old on the autism spectrum simply cannot wear a mask on an airplane.
He says some airlines will allow an exemption, others will not. So he and another man are now asking the Supreme Court to set aside the federal rules requiring masks. Watch 2's Dave McDaniel has the latest in their legal challenge.
Can you wear your mask? Can you wear your mask?
Michael Zaglecki's 4-year-old son shakes his head no on the YouTube video.
He has a signed note from a licensed pediatrician stating that he is medically unable to wear a mask or a shield.
On the autism spectrum, Zaglecki's son has other medical issues which require frequent trips to a Boston hospital. Zaglecki says he's had one issue after another trying to fly with his son maskless.
He not only will not wear a mask, he will have a meltdown, go on the floor.
Zaglecki says they're making the trips to Boston on average every couple of weeks. He says there's no way they could drive it that often.
If we were to drive there, that would be a grueling trip to not only us as a family, but to him and his chronic medical conditions. He could not tolerate sitting in a car for 19 hours.
Here are the signs about face masks being required.
Zaglecki and another local man, Lucas Wall, who posted this video.
No, I won't wear a mask. That's why I have my vaccination card.
To get in, you need a mask.
No, that's in violation of Florida law.
Are asking the Supreme Court to set aside the federal transportation mask mandate. The court refused to hear it in December and wouldn't take it up this week either. The men hope an appeals court will see it their way.
I feel like people should have a choice whether or not they want to wear a mask, not be forced by the government and fined and prosecuted by the government for not covering their face.
In Sanford, Dave McDaniel, West 2 News.
And Zaglecki claims economy airlines are more difficult to deal with when it comes to a mask for his son. The trade-off is higher prices for every trip.